Nevertheless, the detox and the DigestZen products with doTERRA are amazing. DigestZen itself, an oil that is really great for, let me see if I have it up here, is really great for if you have a sore tummy. This is DigestZen, okay, and if your kids are vomiting and things like that, it's got ginger, peppermint, tarragon, fennel, caraway, coriander, and anise. So really, really great oils that will help you your tummy feel better. And we all know ginger. I mean, everybody knows, but the combination of all these really works. I've had a friend of mine whose son was really, really super sick, and we got him some DigestZen and some PB Assist Junior for kids, and it okay, she'll be here tomorrow, I think. This is PB Assist for kids. These almost taste like pixie sticks. Seriously, they're so good. The kids love them. It says you can put in 4 ounces of water, but you don't have to. And you're just gonna dump it in your mouth. It's like all this happiness in your mouth. So that's what the one a day for the kids. This is a PB Assist Junior. And then there's also the adults PB Assist that that my husband and I have grown to love, which looks like this, but mine's empty. Oh no. But it's really great. It says on it, it is a DigestZen product. If you look right here, it's in the line of DigestZen, and it supports healthy digestive functions and immunities. And these have, I think it was 6 billion per capsule. Where is it? 6 billion CFU live unit, and then there's this came in the, I'm just going to show you a little bit, was in the kit. The GX Assist, this one goes for like 10 days you do it. Good stuff. This is the little bit more aggressive after you've done, there's a process to it all. Like, you have to do it a certain way. And it's a 30-day detox, and it's pretty awesome. I did it while we're waiting for this TerraZyme. I'm just going to keep showing you guys stuff. There's the Zendocrine detoxification. These are the soft gels. And this one is the, it contains the Zendocrine essential oil, and it supports the body's natural detoxification system. So it's helping push along and get your toxins to naturally abort through your body. So sometimes we lose that ability as we're getting older. Like I said, the gut gets unhealthy. This is to promote that healthy gut. The Zendocrine also comes as a complex here, and like I said, each to its own time. When you're doing the kit, it's like a 30-day process. So you'll take one for a certain period of time, and you'll take the other Zendocrine for a certain period of time. They both assist in different ways, but they both help with that detoxification. So this one's a detoxification complex, and it says proprietary blend of whole food extract formulated to support the healthy cleansing and filtering functions of the liver, kidneys, colon, lungs, and skin. Zendocrine includes an enzyme and mineral system to promote assimilation. So once again, promoting your body to do its job. The DDR Prime, which is amazing as well. And I thought I had some more left in there. I guess I'm out. This is a cellular rebuild. This is a cellular complex. And Alexa, end timer. Sorry about that. So this right here helps your cells to heal. If you have broken or sick cells, they reproduce themselves, and so you end up with a bunch of sick cells. This helps your cells get healthy and get strong again, and gives them that protection, and then you can start duplicating more healthy cells. So this is good for people who have immune problems, if they maybe cancers, people with seizures. I mean, it's good for everyone, but those people have damaged cells, and you really want to fix those cells. Well, part of fixing those cells is detoxing your body. So this detoxification kit is all a matter of trying to build up these cells and fix them. So they are broken. And there's also a lemon oil that comes in this, which I don't have. I think it's over here. A lemon oil, and this is a 5 times a day kind of thing. You do 2 drops 5 times a day in your water. I can't do 2 drops just in a big thing of water. It's not my favorite. I love the lemon, it's really good, but it's not my favorite. So I kind of just tend to put an ounce or 2 in a cup, and then a couple drops, and then I drink that, and then I drink a cup of water after, because that's just my preferred way to do it. You do it however you want. Then here's the big one. Now, this is something that everyone needs. This is called the Lifelong Vitality Pack. It comes in the detoxification kit. You get your omegas. You get your, thank you. Here's the Alpha CRS Plus. Okay, I'm going to read to you what these are. This is cellular as well. And you get your Microplex vitamins. Okay, so this has all your vitamins in it right here. This one has a slew of them: A, C, D, E, K, B, a couple of B's, right? And then you've got your thiamine, your riboflavin, your niacin, your folate, biotin. Some of these I can't. Okay, here: calcium, iron, iodine, magnesium, zinc, copper, manganese. Did I not say manganese? I can't pronounce that right. I know. It's important and I can't pronounce it right. Chromium, and there's a couple more that I think I missed, but all in that. That's great for your vitamins. This right here, this is your, it's a formula, food, it says food-derived ingredients combining potent levels of powerful polyphenols, there you go, and standardized botanical extracts. Sorry, I'm having a hard time reading today. I need my glasses. That support a healthy cellular proliferation and lifespan with important metabolic factors of cellular energy. This formula is to be used daily with Microplex vitamins and XEO omegas. So you want the omegas that you got there. And comprehensive dietary supplement foundation for a lifetime of vitality and wellness. This right here gives me so much energy. This trio that I'm showing you right now. Oh my goodness. And here's your omegas, and it's got so much. It has vitamins A, D3, and E. It has, let's see, marine oil and plant oil. EPA, DHA. You're going to be like, what are those? They're all the oils that you need. That's what those are. They're fish oils. It says other omega-3s from fish. ALA, which is your alpha linoleic acid. If I say that right, linolenic. And which is like a seed oil. And then other seed oils like SDA and GLA. Am I boring you yet? Just look at my hair. Then I just won't have to worry about it. Just kidding. Anyway, great stuff. This stuff has given me, when I was going through my detox, that gave me energy. We're going to come over here and see what's happened to the... Alright, I'm going to start with my finger. Are you ready? Hopefully you can see this. I don't know because I can't see much. Let's see if it... Alright, oh, it's falling apart. Yeah, it's breaking it down really nicely. Okay, I don't know if you can see that falling apart. It's turning into mush. So this is what it would do as your stomach's turning. It's gonna, I know your stomach is gonna turn it in anyways, but these were raw oats to start, so, and I put them in with cold water. So the TerraZyme is doing its job and breaking it down. Let's say you didn't chew your food well or something like that. The TerraZyme is doing its job. It is just completely obliterating this, it's turning it very mushy. And it's breaking it down really nicely. So your body needs to be able to break, your food should be like baby food in your stomach. And if this has done it in this amount of time, then it's going to do, if it does that in your stomach, then it's going to make your food a lot easier for your stomach to process, get those digestives going. I have to go pick up my daughter from soccer, and I think when I come back, I'm going to do a real short 1-minute clip just to see where it's at when I get back. Okay. So about 10 minutes. 10 more minutes. And we've done 17 minutes so far. I know. I just talk your ear off. We could do classes though. Call me if you want one. I'm full of information. All right. Talk to you soon.